Hello, Piper. Are you excited?
Yes.
Don't get too close. Get your nose.
I'm very excited.
Very excited. Peyton, are you very excited?
I am very excited. I'm sending pictures.
Are you?
And Taylor. Whoa.
Maddie.
Cheese.
Cheese. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you wanting to ride? Are you wanting to ride? Yeah. And we're going on Navi River. Cheese. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're the only one wearing ears.
What?
I think I know what I need.
Say hey.
Hey.
Are you having fun? Did you enjoy your ride on Navi River? Yes. Were you afraid of the shaman? Yeah, the shaman was scary, wasn't it?
No, he wasn't. He was kind of funny.
Where are we going, Matt Piper? Where are we going?
Kilimanjaro Safari.
Safari. It's this way. We are. We're going to the one in Asia. We're going to Joffrey's to get donuts. It's like empty around here. It's the tree. And go around here and go to Joffrey's and get a nice big donut. Oh, girls! Right here. Do you see the big elephant right there? Is that an elephant? I see a hippo. Ready? Are you ready to ride?
Yes.
Yes, this is so much fun. Howard? Are you ready to ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's our Peyton?
Hey, Spinners,
Peyton.
it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened good
here we
and tight
go.
as you spin.
Are you
Once
ready?
you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children.
Para su seguridad,
Here we
permanezca
go.
sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y
Mama's
piernas
big girl.
dentro del dinosaurio.
You're getting to ride all kinds of
Cuide a
stuff
los
now, aren't you?
pequeñitos. Gracias.
Yep.
Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward.
That's good because she's going to mess with this.
And let's go for a
Here we
spin.
go. You ready? Maybe. We might be going. It's like a 5-minute wait. Here we go, Maddie. So I went and rode dinosaur for the first time. Mom has girls in the boneyard. And we're just chilling. So we're gonna walk around here for a minute. Head back to the boneyard to help her with the girls. Dinosaur was fun, but I was afraid if I didn't go ahead and do it, that eventually it'll be gone soon. So I'm gonna step over here. There's supposed to be a brown tortoise here. Anyway, so rode dinosaur. Had a busy morning. We got on the bus at 6:55, and we were in the park and going to Navi River at like 7:20, even though early entry started at 7:30. So we were like off. We were off of Navi River really quick, and then we were gonna go ride safari, but obviously it wasn't open. It wasn't open until 8:15. And it was like 10 till 8, and I didn't want to stand there for 25 minutes and wait, so we went and got Joffrey's and got coffee and donuts and ate, and then we rode Triceratops Spin twice at the request of Madison. She rode it once, she's like, I want to ride again, so we went around and got right back on, and so she had a good time. And then I took the girls to the boneyard, and Mom stayed with them while I went and rode dinosaur because nobody else wanted to ride. So that's kind of our day so far. I did get a Slinky Dog Lightning Lane for this evening. I did it right at 7 o'clock, and the first one I got was like 1 to 2, 105 to 205, I think. And then I booked it, and then I modified it, and then I had to refresh it 3 times before I got an evening time. Because it went like 145 to 245, and then back to like 125 to 225, and then it went to 705 to 8. So we have a 7 o'clock Lightning Lane for that, because we have a dining reservation this afternoon in Hollywood Studios. So it's a fun day. So I think we're gonna go, they've been playing, so I'm gonna go over here, and then we may go get on the safari. I can't make another Lightning Lane till 11 because since I made it in Hollywood Studios, it's 2 hours after Hollywood Studios opens, which they don't open till 9. So I can't make another one till 11, and it is only, let me see what time it is. It is currently 9:13. So I can make, I've still got about an hour and 45 minutes before I can make another Lightning Lane. But the lines here aren't that bad this morning. I think about 30 minutes ago, Kilimanjaro was at 45 minutes, but now it's 35 minutes. So I'm wondering if we wait just a little bit longer, if it will go down some more. So we'll see. Let's go. We are also wanting to do some Wilderness Explorer stuff today. So we may do some of that in between rides, because the girls want to get some more stamps, because I brought their books back from last year. We've worked on them for like 2 years now, 2 trips. This will be the 3rd trip. So much fun. I'm watching her run around. Yeah. No sand. You don't know if the rabbits and squirrels have pooped in it.
So how will you get that? What did you call it?
Piper! Yeah. Piper! Piper! I know. Wave at me.
Papa, Mom, I wish I went and rode dinosaur.
All right.
Mom, I wish I rode dinosaur.
You should have rode it.
Was it good?
It was fun. And I walked right on. There was no wait.
What is it, like a boat ride, or like what is it? What is it?
It is. Here we go. Come on, Maddie. Hey! Come on. Whee! see him, Maddie?
Yeah.
Here, you can get up there a little bit.
Goofy, I love your hat. I like your scar.